Good morning, boys and girls, and it is Tuesday today. It's the 16th of March, and tomorrow is the 17th of March, which is St. Patrick's Day. So this is our last day of schoolwork this week. We're off for the rest of the week for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. But before that, let's look at our work for today. Beginning as always with our date, which is Tuesday, the 16th of March, 2021. Tuesday, the 16th of March, 2021. Remember to write your date every day. Now, we don't have spellings this week, but we do have our initial sounds booklet. And every day we're going to do one page of this. So yesterday we did the first page, so we're now moving on to the second one, which is this one. Let's look at our sounds. We have Z, which makes the Z sound. We've got C, which makes a K sound. We've got K, which also makes a K sound. We've got J, which makes a J sound. And we've got R, which makes an R sound. So let's look at our pictures. We've got jam, yum yum, a robot. I know some of you boys and girls love robots. Zip, cat, and key. So match the correct sound to the correct picture. Now today for your literacy, you're going to make a St. Patrick's card. And I apologise, boys and girls, I think I stapled it to your pack. I really shouldn't have stapled it because it's going to leave a little mark on your card, but I'm sure your family will forgive you if you're making the card for them. So, your writing for today is to write a card to someone. Now, you'll see I've started mine here. I can get it open. And I've written 2P4. And who's it from? Down at the bottom here. From Mrs. McFadden. So you could do one that says to my family, or to mum, or to my brother, and then from, and then your name at the bottom. And then you could put a little message in the middle. Now, I'm going to give you some ideas. You don't have to use my ideas, boys and girls. You can use your own instead if you want to. But here's some ideas for something you could write in your card. First one is, I hope you have a lovely day. So you could write something like that if you want to. Or something shorter like, let's celebrate. Now the last one is super hard and you don't have to write this if you don't want to. This says Happy St. Patrick's Day to you in Irish, in the Irish language. So it says La Féile Pádraig Sonna Ditch. La Féile Pádraig Sonna Ditch, which means Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. All right. Or you might have another little message that you want to write. Something like, I love you, or something funny like time for sweets. Because on St. Patrick's Day, did you know, on St. Patrick's Day, you're allowed to break Lent for one day. So if you had given up sweets for Lent, you might be allowed to have a few little sweets on St. Patrick's Day. But you can check with Mummy or Daddy and see if you're allowed to have some on St. Patrick's Day. All right? Now your math for today will be stapled onto the back of your pack, your week 9 pack. So I would suggest you just pull it off, okay, and put it out flat on your table. So you have this big page and it's got lots and lots of St. Patrick's Day pictures. And then you have this little checklist and it has the same pictures as well, okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to count each of these things that we can see in the big picture. All right, now these ones here don't count, they're just to guide you. So you would start with your shamrock. Oh, this is a very special one, it has 4 leaves. And you're going to count how many shamrocks you can see in the picture. And then you'll write your amount in the box. Now, once you've counted one, I suggest you do either a little tick or a circle around it so that you don't count it 2 times. All right, and just see how many of each of these items you can count. Now, if that's too much for you, or you find it a wee bit hard, maybe Mummy might ask you just to do one side of the page, okay? But you can discuss that with a grown-up at home. And I hope you have fun counting all your St. Patrick's themed pictures. So boys and girls, that is our maths and our literacy for today. Carry on going on to Sumdog if you can, because the Sumdog challenge is still continuing until the 18th of March, which is the day after St. Patrick's Day. And continue to read as well if you can. Now, I haven't given you any book titles for this week because, as I said yesterday, because it's only a very short school week, you can read whatever you like. You can go on to Oxford Owl and just pick any book you want to read if you want to, or you could read a book that you have at home, all right? And I was going to say I'll talk to you again tomorrow, but I won't because it's St. Patrick's Day. I'll talk to you again on Monday next week. So I hope you have a lovely St. Patrick's Day tomorrow with all of your family, and I'll see you again very soon. Happy St. Patrick's Day for tomorrow. Bye-bye.